Here's how to set up your Adventure King's 120 watt folding solar blanket. It's so easy, you can have it set up and charging your battery in under 2 minutes, guaranteed. First, remove everything from the front pocket. You'll have a 4.4 meter extension cable, a regulator and a set of alligator clips, all with quick connect fittings. Then unfold the solar blanket in your desired position, on the windscreen, your roof rack, hanging off your awning with S-clips from the hardware store, or simply just laying on the ground. And just a note, your solar blanket will heat up with use, so don't put it on the bonnet or your roof to avoid damaging the paintwork. Connect the extension lead to the Quick Connect plug on the back of the solar panel by pushing it into place. If it's new and a little tight, offer it up on an angle like this, then lift and click it into place. Then you'll need to run it to your battery. Once you're at your battery, you'll need to connect the regulator. So use the alligator clips included or connect it directly to a Quick Connect plug. Now you can connect the extension cable. If you're using the optional 10 meter solar extension lead, connect it before the regulator. So it goes blanket, 4 meter lead, 10 meter lead, then regulator. This prevents voltage drop and ensures your battery is charged quickly. And that's it. Your 120 watt solar blanket is set up and charging. For more information on the functions of the solar regulator, make sure you watch our advanced solar regulator walkthrough video.